Yeah, this is mostly an audio test to see if this will work. Yeah, I'm sorry if the music blares over me. I'll actually just mute that right now. Actually, I'm probably too loud. I'll go right here. Yeah, this may seem better. Is it better? I don't know. I'll see in post. But free for all and this. I love this game. This game is fun. I love the realistic physics in it, sort of. You can like swing off of things and like climb up. One unrealistic thing though, you can climb up the most steep slopes in reality. This guy looks like me. Get out here. Oh no, I keep going away. Ah! I'm sorry if I stop clicking for a bit. It's just because my hand hurts. I got tripped at the park and my hand was on one of the bars. So, yeah, I think you can guess what happened from there. Oh, infection! Oh, coin! 110 coins! That's overpowered, man. Not really. Since the coins are worth almost nothing in this game. Like a mode I got, which is pretty basic, costed like 200 coins. What are you do? Oh, Stinky. Uh-oh, Stinky. Haha, funny poo. Haha, Winnie the Pooh. Oh no. Wait, go back down. Yeah. Crap. Die. I'm a zombie. I sit by myself. Hi. I don't know why I tried that. That was pretty dumb. Oh, hey, there's someone else in this area. Oh my god, what are you doing? Who is this? Get over here. We're cracked at this game, but I know how to roll. Oh, hi. Hi. I sit by myself. I don't know why I keep doing that. Sorry. Get over here. Wait, let me see what happens if I'm on the spawn when it, like, goes up. Will I just be stuck in a... Oh, okay. That makes almost no sense, but okay. How did it get up there? What the... Coin? Man, Tryhard would really go up there for that coin. No, no, no! It's literally the game, though. It's a tag game. Go, monkey! Why can't you say me? Well, you just did. Me. Huh? Classic. Triple vote. What is with the triple vote? I hate the triple vote. I ate the triple vote. No more triple votes. What is this? How much do you bet this is like a secret in the original map? Or just the developers being stupid? Uh, Baby Shark sucks. Why is it playing? No. Turn the TV off right now. I'm mad. Oh no, there's a chiller in this area. There's a chill man in this area. Yo, did I just pull that off? What the? No! Go and die. Baby Shark sucks. Oh hey, tetherball. Boy, why would you camp? Camping is for losers. Haha. Skill issue. Oh no. Bruh. Camping. Come on, get over here quick. Come on, yes. Thank you, Steve. Ugh. Who's someone? I don't know, but they just joined me. Let me jump over this. Yippity yay! Yippity yo! Yippee yay! Yippee yay! Yippee yay! Yippity yo yo! Skip skippity go 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 go! Yes yes! Oh no! No! Yes! Oh my god! Thank you. I get freeze one more time. I might just die. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Please! No! Oh my god! Skill! Oh my! No, I'm not hacking. I just have really good skill. Up, up, dee, 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 dee. No, no, oh my god. No, unfreeze me! No! No! Alright. Time for these people to die. You didn't unfreeze me. You must die! You know what, I'll go after this guy. He seems less cracked at the game. I'm sorry, I just hit my mic. I'm having a fever attack thing. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh, there's only one person left. Get over here. Oh my god, we almost made it. We can just do it. Oh my god, bruh. Well, Team Swap is being picked. I just know because it got 2 triple votes, which is like a quintuple vote plus 1. The wheel of misfortune. Not a double wheel of misfortune, please. Lunar. I love lunar mode. Lunar mode is cool. It's fun. I like it. Wait, hold on. What happens if I... No! Double wheel of misfortune. Why. Bro, it just lagged me off. I wanted to experiment and see what happened. Oh yes, go down walls, go down, go down, go down so I can jump up, go down. Yeah. Oh god dang it, crazy knockback. Yeah, go red. Red is my color. Oh, we just tagged another person. Goodbye. No, it's dye blue. Dye blue. Blue is for skill issue. Wait, never mind. No, cat doesn't have a skill issue. Never mind. Never mind. Go red. What the? Okay, let's go blue. Oh, eh. Oh, never mind. The remaining blues are like cracked at the game. This isn't fair. Oh, that was cool. I like that. And if somebody can have like 11 minutes of the Doge song in Scratch, which is what I'm using to record this audio, then I can have 12 minutes and like 30 seconds. I'm pretty sure that's like the time by now, because I'm looking in the corner and I can see it. Hey, look right there. A, a red guy. There. Do you like losing? Why do you like being on the losing team? Hiya! Hi! Hiya! 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 Punch. Run up this, run up this, run up this. Ball! Baller! No, baller. Baller. Oh, never mind. Get down here, baller. 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 Up, baller. Up, baller. Yo, I just did that. Okay, kill Juggernaut. Kill Juggernaut. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm gonna have to cut this out in post because there was a bit of silence where I wasn't recording. But kill Juggernaut, kill Juggernaut, kill Juggernaut. Why am I so bad at this? Wait, never mind. Yes, mind. No! I got it. No! Why did I do that? Oh, free coins. Nice. Bacon. Die, bacon. Bacon, I'm gonna have bacon for supper. Do 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 do. Hiya! Oh no no no! Ooh 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 na na. What is this? Where's this juggernaut? Oh, there he is. Hey, no, why do I suck at ladders? Come on. Come on. No. Ah. I think you guys can deal with a little bit of silence where it's like awkwardly cut off, right? Actually, you probably have like mildly infuriating, like r/mildly infuriating moments. Slide in here. Hi. I smell a juggernaut. Oh no, no. Crap, no. No, 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 no. Alright.